Hey guys, today we're gonna stop at Carr Valley Cheese in Fennimore, Wisconsin. And then Jeff's gonna try a little fishing today. See how he does. Park here. Carr Valley Cheese. Hi there. Look at all this cheese. This tiny bit of cheese, $3.83. Might have to get some though.
Yep.
New Glarus beer. Would that be Spotted Cow? Cool. Irish Valley cheddar. Cheese of the month. Goat butter. Jeff's going for it. What do you think?
Soft.
Is it? Chocolate honey. Little fudge. There you go. The Irish cheddar was very, very mild. Have a good day, ladies.
Probably not
Road. I don't think we'll go down it though. Darn. What a shame. No one kidding about when they said high water. Guess you'll just never know what you might find on a fence. Something. It's not even a barbed wire fence. Well, Jeff made a trip to Walmart, got a fishing license, fishing pole, and some tack because all of his stuff is in Salt Lake. I'll see if he catches a fish today. See what happens. Not even a tackle box, babe. Just a Walmart bag. having much luck. Yep. Guy over there's got 3 poles and he hasn't had any luck yet. Jeff's over here. Yep, he hasn't had any luck either. Still got the one on the left. Back out it goes. Looks like Jeff's given up. Maybe we'll find a different fishing place. That guy over there gave up too. But he did get his cheese curds. Thanks for watching, guys. And remember to live deliberately. Have a great day.